This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb on the Debian Linux operating system. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To enable or disable Do Not Disturb, I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do that. One way is to go up to the top up here, up to your clock. Click on your clock. And in the notifications box right down here at the bottom, Do Not Disturb. You could toggle it on here or toggle it off here. Another way to do it is to go to Settings. I'm going to go up to the upper right hand corner, up to my little system tray up here. I'm going to click in there, and then I'm going to click on this little gear wheel right over here. The gear wheel is Settings. In the Settings panel here, the pane off to the left hand side, I'm going to click on Notifications. And then right up here, Do Not Disturb. You could toggle it on or toggle it off. Down below that you have a lock screen notification. If you don't want to receive notifications on a lock screen, you could toggle it off here. Or if you want to receive notifications on your lock screen, you could toggle it on. But that is how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb on the Debian Linux operating system. Thanks for watching.